Hello friends, before you start watching an interesting video, I ask you to subscribe to this channel, to like it. And do not forget to write comments and feedback on what you see. Thank you all. Let's start watching. In order to make something good with your own hands, you need to find something bad, but appropriate. To make a good metal wood stove, we will find a bad water heater, which we will prepare for the process. In our case, this is a tank of 50 liters, from which we dismantled the heating element. Then the hull lining. We cut off the heat insulating material with a large knife, cut off unnecessary pipes, weld unnecessary holes and cut out a round hole for the chimney. On the opposite side, but from the other end of the container, we will cut out a fragment to connect a square pipe into which we will load firewood for the firebox. Then, putting the body of the future stove aside, cut into suitable pieces of square tube and weld them according to the desired scheme to get the necessary construction. Let's make the air dampers and the door to the loading chamber. We cut a big window on the body to have a panoramic view of the flames through the glass. We make the air dampers and the door to the loading chamber. To make a panoramic view through the glass to the flames, we cut a large window. Next, install the furnace structure at the right level from the floor. Weld the legs and weld the chimney. All that remains is to paint the stove with heat-resistant paint. And then, building a fire, admire the flames of the fire. You can not only admire the stove, but also use it for cooking in a pot, in a pan, or making tea.